flood warning for Wise County in north central Texas until 5:45 p.m. At 12:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the southeastern half of Wise County. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. An observer just south of Slidell measured 3.86 inches in 1 hour, and a calendar day total of 5.39 inches. A foot of water was reported on the roadway at Highway 363 in Miller Creek. Additional rainfall amounts may exceed 3 inches as heavy rain in Parker County enters southeastern portions of Wise County.